Have you ever wondered why you feel drained, even after a full night's sleep? Or why that brain fog seems to follow you around throughout the day? It's not just about getting older. It's often about your body's internal defense system running on empty. Meet glutathione. It is widely known as the master antioxidant, and it is arguably the most critical molecule for your immunity, cell repair, and daily vitality. The problem? Modern stress, processed foods, and the environment drain your glutathione levels faster than your body can replenish them. You aren't just tired, you might be depleted. That's why we published The Guardian of Your Health, Glutathione Master Antioxidant. Don't leave your health to chance. Grab your copy on Amazon today and start becoming the true guardian of your own vitality. This guide is your roadmap to understanding how to naturally protect and boost your glutathione levels. It's time to stop guessing and start taking control of your longevity.